Hey guys, Quality Blader coming at you with another video. It's been a while. So anyways, this is my jacked up dual thread launcher. You can see it's got helicopter mode. Yeah, I'm opening this up today just to show you guys what is inside of this thing for educational purposes. And I need to fix it. A majority of my launchers get broken. No matter how well I take care of them, I'm literally too strong for these launchers. And there's a rumor going around at the temple, basically, that there is an unbreakable launcher somewhere on the grounds. And if I can find it and modify it to fit any kind of Beyblade format, then I'll be golden, basically. They say it's in an unopenable puzzle box, so yeah, I'm gonna have to deal with that. I gotta find the thing first, but yeah, we're just gonna open this up, take some Phillips head screwdrivers. I intend there's probably gonna be some tamper-proof, some tamper-proof screws somewhere around here. You gotta put quite a bit of force on here. So, I'm going to take this thing apart, I'm going to turn my fan on, and play some nice copyright-free music for you guys. So, okay, I have removed every single screw, turn the fan off, I don't care how hot it gets. So there's a bit of the issue. You see that white thing right there? That's the string. That's the string that's supposed to be in here. By the way, this won't give at all. So we're going to undo this. Okay, that was the mechanism spring. Pulling two, and yep, this bad boy's all knotted up. A lot of mucus in my throat, so that just got tangled up. By the way, this is how much string is. Oh, that almost ended poorly. This is how much string is in one of these things, by the way. Do I have a ruler nearby? I feel like I have a ruler. I could see one. I'll grab it. Alright. So from absolute tip, that is 12 inches, 30 centimeters. And then after that, 12 inches, it's another, let's see, that's 2 3/4 of an inch, which is 7 centimeters, so that is 37 centimeters of length. So yeah, just take a look at the mechanism in here real quick. A lot of dust accumulating. So this is the switch here. the gearbox. Alright, let's see. Oh, that is neat. So in here is actually the spring. So this housing right here contains the spring. That is cool. So there's no open spring anywhere. So yeah, and then right there's some screws so you can open the spring up, and an arrow. So it's almost like this thing was made with the knowledge that it was going to break. Yeah, so let's fit those into the gear. Where does this... It just sits open above these things. It's crazy. Okay, so maybe I'll put another rotation on here. Yeah, okay, so there's no slack in it now. No slack whatsoever. Pulls out. And then goes back in. This is the easiest repair job I think I've ever done on a Beyblade launcher. And I imagine that's why there's so much... Well, this isn't wanting to pull back like it was. So I hate to do this right now, but I have to see. How does the amazing left-right innovation work? I can't even remember how to work this launcher exactly. So this is on left spin. So right now it's spinning the bad boy to the left. Watch me have somehow put this in a way that left puts it in right. And then I unlock it. Oh, it was unlocked to begin with. I'm stupid. Unlock it. Oh, that is dope. So brain power, so smart. So it just moves the gears. And there's a gear multiplier inside of here. So therefore, one big gear leads to a smaller gear, and that increases the power. Because all of that, like, this is a 5, this is not the technical term for it, but this is like a 5 gear, and it's putting all that 5 gear energy onto a 2 gear, or like a 1 gear. Then from that 1 gear, it goes to a 2 gear, and then another 2 gear. So there's no loss whatsoever here. So it's putting out like 3 energy. So there's no loss whatsoever. And this pin right here is the one that moves this. So yeah. And these things are so prone to breaking. I think both of mine have broken actually. The first one I fixed without having to open it. And this one I fixed on camera. It only took me 12 minutes, which actually I think I dilly-dallied around a bit longer than I should have. So yeah, let's just go ahead and put in all of the screws now. Alright, so that is it. That is a fully repaired launcher. All you need is a single small, not too small, but like a small, not an extra small, Phillips screwdriver to fix that small problem. I'd give you the QR code, but the QR code rubbed off, and then I put some black ink on the kind of rubbed off places, and I think I rubbed the ink. Yeah. And it's kind of neat how, like, now I can see, almost see the mechanism working. Oh, man. If you guys want me to make, like, a clear launcher, let me know in the comments. Because now I just want to see that mechanism all the time. Yeah, this is a pretty cool video. Thank you guys for watching. This is my basic LR dual threat Hasbro Beyblade launcher. Yeah, I think it's helicoptering. It's always going to be an issue, but yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this, and I hope it helps you out. Okay, bye.